What's crack-a-lackin', y'all? I got some new followers, man. Son of a cleaning service. He claims I met him about a year ago. That may be so. I remember meeting somebody, but it's a little hazy. But big ups. I think I was showing him my tools. I do that to a lot of people in my trade, and I see them in my travels. Because they got to be educated, man. You know, we got to set a image to our customers, man. Even if we don't look the part, we got to play the part. So if they think you got the top of the line equipment, something that they've never seen, that blows their mind away. That lets them know that, man, this guy's serious about his business, you know? And you should be serious about making money and cleaning windows. That's your bread and butter. Unless you got something else going on that I don't know about or that we don't know about. But, you know, I'm in it for the long haul. This is my 401k / my retirement package. Except I hope it to be a cash cow that I can just go milk every once in a while and I don't even have to be there. You know, well, that's in business. That's what we work up to. But, my channel doesn't grow much. You know, I got a few people, the Deaf Window Cleaner, big ups to him. If he hadn't had a chance to go check his channel out, he got 1 subscriber, and that's me. But I kind of like his style, even though it's just quiet when you watch his videos. There's nothing wrong with quiet, man. You know, you come to my channel, it's the opposite of quiet. You won't be toe tapping, dancing in the streets, bobbing your head, or changing the YouTube channel, whichever strikes your fancy. But he's pretty good with the editing too, man. I like a couple of his videos where he slowed it down in slow motion. Yeah, but he using that darn Mormon squeegee though. I don't know if I like that. Nah, Mormon's alright, man. It just can't hand up to the abuse of what Maul puts it through. You know, I'm heavy-handed, man. You know, you put that tool in my hand, I bust that thing up in a couple of windows, man. It's real like that. You know what I mean? I stick and move, baby. I stick and move. But you know, hey, to each his own. If I don't set out to be a famous YouTube sensation like the bearded sensation and the other 2 numbnuts that I you know, not gonna say their names. Hey, it is what it is. You know what I mean? Since I can't be a YouTube sensation, I'ma set out to be one of many. Matter of fact, in each his own category. The best pole man, wagger, and the most video uploading son of a gun you ever want to meet. You know what I mean? So I'm telling you, man, I pumps it out. I pumps it out. Them videos get be stacking up. I'm shocked at even how many uploads I've put over since I've been on YouTube. I put some people to shame, man. I put them to shame. You know, they can't keep up with me. Even my subscribers can't keep up with me. And that's exactly how I feel on that glass. Nobody can touch me. They can't keep up with me. I stick and move. Stick and move. You know? But let me tell you the real story of how I got good with a pole. You see, when I used to work for the high-rise company, I had a lot of pole work on commercial jobs. You ever pick up a Unger 30-foot pole? Not the one that got 5 sections that's about 6 or 7 feet tall. I'm talking about the one that's like 12 foot tall and it has 3 sections and extends out to 30 foot. Now, when you have that sucker all the way extended, 3 sections all the way extended, my lens is dirty. Oh, there we go. Oh, my windshield is dirty. Yo, that's crazy. I'm the only window cleaner you know that clean windows all day long, but ride around in filthy windows. I can't see a lick sometimes out of these windows. But back to what I was saying, 3 sections, that pole is floppy, it is bouncy, and you know, that's what got my skills up. Guess how long I had to lift that sucker up and down? This is when I was in the gym pumping iron, but I had to lift that sucker for like 4 to 6 hours straight poling. And you know what made me want to get done? Is I didn't want to play around on that glass, so I was looking for the best and fastest tools in the industry. And that's when I came across Wagtail. And from there, I was in love, man. We got married, and we living happily ever after. She pulls her weight, I pull my weight. Together, we make harmony, man. We make bucks on that glass. We knock stuff out from left to right. When you see me high flying, I just take flight. Wagging up or down like a bat out of hell. Wagtail excel. I'm going around in circles. I'm trying to get up out of here. I'm on the bridge. I had to give somebody a ride, and now I'm lost because I'm talking to y'all. See what y'all made me do? But I need y'all to go check out some shout outs. Area Pro. I just joined his Facebook channel. I don't play around Facebook too much because it's a lot of nonsense and a lot of no do-gooders on there, man. Not just in window cleaning, but just people trying to scam people. You know what I mean? And on the Facebook window cleaning groups as well. You got people that are up to no good, you know, just a straight butthole. But if you get a chance, go check out Area Pro. They designed some tiger fins, and they look pretty cool. They're for the water-fed pole. They have bronze tiger fins, and there's videos on how to use this strange thing that I came across. And keep an eye out on them. I'm subscribed to their channel because I'm gonna keep an eye out on him. He lives over in my neck of the woods, and he's got some interesting things coming up. It can't be talked about right now, but he's got some interesting stuff coming up, and y'all gonna get ready for this company because they get ready to touch some markets that's in our line of work, man. And it's gonna be new technology, so you feel me? So check them out, tell them Maul sent you, and you know, that's that, baby. So I also had to add, not that most people would still be watching this video right about now. Holy smokes, I didn't want this video to be that long. But anyway, to that person, I forget that person's name. I think he's a fly-by-nighter. Well, what I mean by fly-by-nighter is those people who jump on my channel to say a couple words and then that's it. They're like Houdini. They vanish, you know. But a fly-by-nighter had asked me what solution would I use, because he never seen a solution like mine compared to most people, and that's because it's not. It's my own creation. I got about 3 or 4 of them. Which one is a preference? You want something that smells good and that's moderately strong and has glide? Then I'd say go with my 2.0 solution. You want something in the winter that has glide, that helps keep from freezing, that's all natural? Then I'd say go with one of my first solutions, which is the vegetable glycerin and a little bit of Unger Easy Glide. And I've always put my ammonia in there. That's the secret juice. You don't put it in where you're gonna knock yourself out and burn your nostrils in the process. But you be smart about it. It depends on what you're doing, you know? Each situation is different. Each person is different. You worried about the ammonia smell? Then throw some essential oils in there. Or you try my 3.0 solution. That's the pine sol and sunwave ammonia, which is the 2.0 solution. You want something strong as heck that could do screens and siding and a bunch of other things? Then go with my 3.0 solution. What that is, that's full crystal and ammonia. That's it. You don't need no soap with that. That is your soap. That is your cleaner. That is your acid tear-upper, or whatever you want to call it. It has about several different acids in there, and it's super concentrated and it's strong. You got to really be careful with that. I mean, I work with it without any gloves. It's not going to burn a hole in your skin or nothing, unless, of course, you don't have thick skin like I am. You know, black don't crack. So unless you got sensitive skin, then yeah, maybe you might want to put some mitts on or whatever it is you wear. But that's pretty much it. That full crystal, you got to know your ratios. I've explained this in the video. It is strong, let me tell you, and it glides like butter. And my other first solution that I've never documented and released was laundry detergent and your favorite soap, your favorite surfactant, and put some laundry detergent in there along with my secret juice, which is ammonia, and you got phenomenal glide there and good smell. You're worried about doing residential? Then I'd say you may not need full crystal, at least on the inside. But the outside, you might gonna want to have that 3.0 solution, because you got people's houses that ain't been touched in years. And that you need that first cleaning with that full crystal. I'm telling you. You let it, see, the longer that stuff sits on that dirt and that glass, it dissolves it. You know why? Because it's acid base. And acid starts to dissolve stuff over time. This is why you got to know your ratios, because if you don't have their ratios right and that stuff is strong and you clean it off with a squeegee and you leave that sit on that frame, it's going to eat away at that frame. It's going to leave an ashy residue that looks like battery acid. All right, so I've done this. I've gotten it down to a T. It's like rocket science now. Okay, I've made all the mistakes for y'all. There is no guesswork here. All right, it's the strongest stuff that you ever come across that you can use to clean a window, and I use it on the inside. Yeah, I'm using it in a way it wasn't meant to be, but hey, that's what these mad scientists got to do. You got to stretch the limits and think outside the box. Yeah, we might be called nutty and crazy, and it's impossible, but hey, man, that's what's worth the reward, is that journey and that trip. And you reap the benefits, man. You reap the benefits. Yeah, money falling all out of your pockets. You be fat in the pockets, and you'll be fat in the belly. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. What's crack 11?